When aiming to monetize a YouTube channel in 2025, it's crucial to select a niche with strong potential for growth and revenue. Certain niches may present challenges due to oversaturation, low monetization rate, or content restrictions. Here are 10 YouTube niches new creators might consider avoiding and the reason they should avoid these niches. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across my video for the very first time, this is the creative Susan herself, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Number 1 on the list is general entertainment. This could include comedy skits, memes, reaction videos. Highly competitive and often very challenging to monetize due to reliance on copyrighted materials. Number 2 on the list is vlogging without a clear focus. Yes, personal vlogs lacking specific themes or target audience can struggle to attract viewers and generate consistent revenue. So this is one of the reasons you should avoid that niche. Number 3 is gaming, an oversaturated market with millions of channels, making it very difficult for new content creators to stand out and achieve their monetization goals. Number 4 is beauty and makeup tutorials. Once a very lucrative niche, it has become highly competitive, and the rise of short-form content on other platforms has shifted audience attention. So please, let's consider this as well. Number 5 is fitness and workouts. This is a very crowded field where distinguishing oneself requires significant expertise and unique content to attract a dedicated audience. So this makes this niche very difficult. Number 6 is DIY and crafts. While creative, this first niche, stiff competition and monetization can be challenging without a substantial following. Number 7 is food and recipes, an area with numerous established creators, making it hard for newcomers to gain visibility and monetize their content effectively. So this makes this niche too another difficult one. Number 8 is travel. High production costs and an oversaturated market can make it very difficult for new channels to achieve profitability. So this makes that channel too has its own problem. Number 9 is faceless channels with low quality content. Channels that rely on generic, low effort content without a unique angle may face demonetization or a lack of audience engagement. So while considering faceless YouTube channel, talk about that too. Number 10 is content relying on heavy copyrighted materials. Channels that frequently use copyrighted content without proper authorization risk demonetization and has legal issues. So when choosing a niche, consider areas with growing interest, lower competitions, and opportunities for unique creation. Align your channel's focus with your passion and expertise can also enhance authenticity and audience connection. So we come to the end of this video, and I want you to take time to think about it before choosing a niche that you would like to venture into, because if you don't know how to choose the right niche, you may get stuck up and give up on your YouTube channel. So if you found value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips like this and many more. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in my next video. Bye.